Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to check out the travel guide option on the TubeMap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should go to your homepage and then click on the menu icon that you can find in the upper left corner of the screen, so click on it, and then you should tap on this travel guide button at the bottom of the screen, and here you will be able to find the travel guide to London. Here you can see what it is known for. Here you can select from a bunch of options such as weather, currency, top attractions to see or to do, internet, tube, and so on. So here you can find a brief good to know section about a bunch of important things. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.